Connie and Fish.
Melissa's on the phone.
Hey
from
there.
Hudsonville.
What'd you want to say about smelling Dan's pit?
I don't, well, okay, no, but
Nothing. She has a question for you, Fish.
I do. Fish, what's a bird taco?
A burnt taco?
You said bird taco.
No.
And you're going from O to O and ah, and I said, what's a bird taco?
Not a bird taco. It sounds pretty good,
Right? I know.
I'm a bird taco. What?
Yeah.
Burnt.
Burnt.
We're not real good at enunciation, Melissa.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Enunciation.
So what, is it a bird or burnt?
Burnt. Like
B-U-R-N-T.
like a burnt taco.
Like a burned.
Burned.
Oh, you're saying that my grammar's off here is what you're saying, huh? Is it my brain? It's my brain and crap.
On that part.
No.
I'm a ginger.
You're
so.
a ginger?
Yay!
I am.
Okay, have you ever been to a nude beach before?
I am under a blanket, but
Okay.
Excuse me? I think she's nude under the blanket right now.
There you are.
Wait, right now you are?
no.
Oh,
You know
okay.
what's coming.
Yeah, I was getting a little nervous.
I've been in this position before where like...
Okay, stop it.
Okay, so burnt taco.
Okay. I could see these feathers sticking out and flapping. And
She said some weird
Well,
fetish.
I guess a chicken one is technically a bird taco.
Yeah, that's
yeah.
true. Yeah, there you go. Mother
or a
clucker.
moo. We got cow taco.
Yeah,
but
cow
okay.
taco.
Yeah, you want a cow
Yeah,
taco?
I want a cow taco right now.
That was my nickname in high school.
Cow
Thanks
taco?
for clarifying.
Yeah.
Mm.
Here comes cow taco.
It's cow taco.
My name is Fish.
Fish taco.
Sorry, that's a
Sorry, sheep head. Hey, did you hear about the cows that got loose on 131 over the weekend?
Oh, no, I didn't.
No, this is
yeah,
actually
they
real.
did. It's a true story, Melissa.
Did they?
This is a quote from our intern Cheyenne. They had to move over. Hey, what's going on with the 131? Did they add a cow lane?
What up, cow taco?
Okay,
Room for the fish taco.
the fist.
Fish.
Fish.
Oh, hey, what's up with your enunciation, Melissa? Talking about fist tacos.
Bird taco.
Hey, you should,
Oh, Melissa,
you
I
should go
love
to
ya.
Hudsonville and try some of Melissa's very special fist tacos.
They sound delish.
Yeah. Oh my God, I got the
Thanks,
fist.
Melissa.
I got the fist taco for Melissa. It was wonderful.
She's like, I'm so glad I called.
okay.
Connie and Fish.